understand the difference between a clause and a phrase. Now we want to move on to look at those types of clauses and types of phrases that we have. Now under our clause we have three types: noun clause, adjectival clause, and adverbial clause. The adjectival clause can also be called the relative clause. Under the adverbial clause, it is not mandatory. It is not mandatory. But we have different types of adverbial clauses: adverbial clause of time, adverbial clause of place, adverbial clause of manner, adverbial clause of reason, adverbial clause of condition, adverbial clause of concession, adverbial clause of results, adverbial clause of degree, and so on like that. It is not mandatory. I must be written. Take note of that, please. Not mandatory. If you are not sure the type of adverbial clause it is, please just write adverbial clause and leave. For our phrases, we are going to be treating just three. There are more, but we are treating just three. We are going to treat noun phrase, adjectival phrase, and adverbial phrase. We also have prepositional phrase, we have gerundial phrase, we have participial phrase, we have infinitive phrase. But we are going to limit it just to these three types of phrases. Now, we are going to be using diagram, and I want us to pay very good attention to this. We are going to be using diagram to show us how we can locate these types of clauses and phrases. We're going to be using diagram for them. For instance, look at diagram number 1 very well. In diagram number 1, I said, if I find a group of words underlined, immediately after that group of words, a verb is in front of it. Let me say that again. They underline a group of words. Immediately after it, a verb is in front of it. Please go to your past questions. Open to 2003 past question. You are going to see this, verse 6, if I'm not mistaken. Now, in verse 6, if you look at the underlined words there, it says, the eggs of the ostrich, underlined. Immediately after that underlined word, a verb is in front. Look at my diagram again. My diagram says, underlined words. Immediately after it's a verb. Will you underline the verb? No. Watch it again in 2003. Underlined words. Immediately after it, the verb is in front. Go to 2004 SSC, 2004 SSC. Are we there? Okay. Watch it again. I think it's also passage 6. You're going to find again, it says, what we experience daily are the vicious consequences of unemployment. Look at it. Underline words. What we experience daily. Immediately after that underline word, there is the verb again in front. It can't be any other thing but this. So that means that anytime you find an underlined word, immediately after it, there is a verb in front. Make sure your answer is what? A noun. I say that again. If you find an underlined word, immediately after that underlined word, a verb is in front. Just write noun. Then come under this place and write subject. Just write subject of the verb. That verb in front, write it and put it in quotes. Write that verb in front and put it in quotes. Let me go back. You have an underlined word. Immediately after it, you have a verb. Write noun. I didn't say write noun phrase or write noun clause. No, just write noun. Then come under it and write subject of the verb. That verb in front, write it here and put it in quotes. After that, go back to that underlined word. Ask yourself, this underlined word, does it contain a finite verb? If your answer is yes, then write what? A clause. But if your answer is no, do what? Write a phrase. I didn't say write noun clause slash phrase. No. You understand why we are calling it clause and phrase. If the underlined word contains a finite verb, you know our finite verbs, present tense singular, present tense plural, and past tense. If that underlined word contains any of these three things, write a clause. But if it doesn't contain any of these three things, write a phrase. I hope that is understood. Okay, let's come back to past questions. In 2003, he said the eggs of the ostrich are the largest in the world. I see the underlined words. Immediately after it, there is a verb. What do? I will write noun. I'll come here and say subject of the verb. Now, what verb is that? You put it in quotes. What do? Go back to the underlined word again. Ask yourself, this underlined word, does it contain any finite verb? D is not a verb. X is not a verb. Of is not a verb. D is not a verb. Ostrich is not a verb. In other words, it does not contain any verb at all. So this is what? A phrase. So this is a noun phrase, subject of verb are. This will give you noun phrase, subject of verb are. Look at the other example in 2004. What we experience daily is the underlying words. Immediately after it, there is a verb in front. What do? I'll write noun. I'll come here and say what? Subject. Subject of the verb are. Subject of the verb are. What do? Go back to that underlined words again. Ask yourself, does it contain a finite verb? Let us find out. What is not a verb? We is a pronoun. Experience here is a verb. Is it a finite verb? Yes. How do I know it's a finite verb? If I change this we into he, it will become what he experiences. So that means that this experience can change. If I change this daily into last night, it will affect this verb again. It will become what we experienced last night. So that means that this verb here is a finite verb. So this is what? A clause. So the answer to this will give us what? Noun clause, subject of verb are. The first one is what? Noun phrase, subject of the verb are. Why is it a phrase? Because it doesn't contain any finite verb. This one is noun clause, subject of the verb are. Why is it a clause? Because it contains a finite verb. What is the finite verb? Experience. From our table, the last table we did, remember, we can put that experience in this table. Present tense singular will be what? Experiences. The plural will be what? Experience. The past tense will be what? Experienced. Present participle will be what? Experiencing. Past participle, experienced. Infinitive to experience. That means that our experience here is a finite verb. Can we try some other in your past questions? Try. Secondly, let's see diagram number 2. Diagram number 2 is the opposite of diagram number 1, if you look at it very well. In diagram number 1, we said underline words plus verb. Diagram number 2 now we are saying verb first plus underline words. The verb comes first, underline words follows it second. Now, if you see a verb, immediately after that verb, there is an underlined word. Don't waste your time. Write noun. Come here and call it object. Call it object of the verb. That verb that is coming before the underlined word, write it there and put it in quotes. I say that again. If I find a verb first, immediately after that verb, there is an underlined word. Write noun. coming before the underlined word is what you write. Then what do? Go back to that underlined word. Ask yourself, does it contain a finite verb? If your answer is yes, write a clause. But if your answer is no, write a phrase. Example, SSC 2000. It should be passing 7 if I'm not wrong. It says, Joe thought it was a tremendous idea. Joe thought it was a tremendous idea. Now, what is the underlined word here? It was a tremendous idea. But what came before that underlined word? Thought. Thought is what? A verb. So, if you look at my diagram number 2, you will see that a verb is coming before the word, before the underlined word. What do? Write a noun. Come here and say objects of the verb. What verb is that? Good. Thought. That is the verb. Good. Thought is the verb. Then what do? Go back to that underlined word. Ask yourself, does this underlined word, does it contain any finite verb? How about you? What's a finite verb? Was. Very good. Was is the finite verb. That means was be the past tense of is and am and are. That means that the underlined word will what? A clause. So this is an example of a noun clause functioning as object of the verb dot. You can also have an example of noun phrase, object of a verb. For instance, if I say, Ade bought 2 boxers and a pair of shoes. Ade bought 2 boxers and a pair of shoes. Underline 2 boxers and a pair of shoes. 2 boxers and a pair of shoes. You are going to notice that 2 boxers and a pair of shoes does not contain any verb at all. So it is a phrase. Is it a noun? Yes. Because it is coming after what. So that is a noun phrase. What will be the function? You. Very good. Object of the verb what? Good. That is our diagram number 2. Now let's go on and look at diagram number. In diagram number 3, diagram number 3 is very easy. Very, very easy. Anytime you find a noun, please make sure it is a noun. I repeat, make sure it is what? A noun. Immediately after that noun, if you find who, whom, whose, which, or that, underline. If you find a noun, immediately after the noun, you have who, whom, whose, which, or that, underline. Don't waste your time. Just write adjective. Just call it adjectival clause. This can also be called relative clause. You can also call it a relative clause. What is going to be the function? No need to waste your time. Just write qualifies the noun. That noun that is coming before the who, the whom, the whose, the which, and the that. Mention that noun there and put it in place. Can I repeat that again? Okay. Now, if you have a noun, immediately after that noun, you have who, whom, whose, which, or that underlined. Call it adjectival clause, or you can also call it relative clause. What is your function? Qualifies the noun, that noun that is coming before them is a noun you mention. Can we say an example in 2008? In 2008 SSC passage 7, you will find this. It says, child labor, on the other hand, is about children who work long hours for low wages. Like underlined, who work long hours for